Welcome back to every NES game. This time Donkey Kong Jr. Math. Yeah, this time we're looking at Donkey Kong Jr. Math, the game we've all been asking for. This is a real game. This exists. Nintendo made this. So the goal for this is to add up the numbers until you get the right number in the middle that Donkey Kong is holding. Yeah, this is supposed to be a two-player game. I'm not doing that. And obviously multiplication is the easiest way to get to the correct number, because might as well pretend to play this as anything. Which causes the other DK Jr. to freak out. And this just keeps going. Or you can die. Honestly, I was expecting them to allow negative numbers. I don't know, I'm surprised anyone put that much thought into this game. I'm honestly really confused on why this exists. Like, it's like they wanted to showcase that they could do an educational thing, but they didn't want to do anything that required too much effort, so they decided to just take one of their arcade ports and... We got this. Sad part is that this is honestly probably better than the later educational games they made, at least in terms of the game part. Because at least this version of Donkey Kong Jr. actually plays like Donkey Kong Jr. to a point. Not entirely, but it's there. Although there's a clear 4-digit limit on that thing, by the way. Try to keep multiplying, it's just, Yep. If you press select, thankfully you can go right back to the main menu. We can try the other thing. So yeah, to select, and this is weird, you have to, press right on the thing when you're on the vine. And you get taken to different types of basic, well, slightly more advanced math. You'd expect was presumably a game for small children. You understand how much I wanted to just actually do the correct numbers, or if they just stop trying. I decided to stop trying because it doesn't matter. It's a bit clever how you can... how they got it so they can climb up the thing and then you go left and then it decides the number. If you just do that, you'll get it right anyway. So, whatever. Yeah, I'm really baffled. I've always been baffled that this exists. I have to believe it's, like... it's just a random thing they tried out. I'd be a little curious how people who grew up with this game specifically remember it as. Maybe it did help someone. Who knows? I mean, to be slightly fair, I do have fond memories of at least a couple of the educational, or somewhat educational games I grew up with. Like, Where in Time is Carmen Sandiego. Good times. I consider that a lot better of an example of an edutainment game than this.